So on this week's episode of What the Hell is Going On, we have got an MR2. That isn't K20 swapped. That isn't a 3S GT. It is a 3.5 litre V6 powered, and the sound is incredible.
The brakes smell good.
Oh, just give me a sec. I didn't expect it. Right, so we're here with Simon, the owner of this beautiful MR2, may I add. Tell us how long you've owned this thing for.
About 15 years now.
15 years, and did it start off like this?
No, it was probably more one colour than it is now. No, it had a few modifications from like Japan,
Yeah.
where it had been imported, but it hadn't been touched too much.
Was it a turbo then originally?
It was turbo.
And what happened to that engine?
Too much boost, I imagine.
Let me guess. We've had this a few times, and us being probably not far off the same, maybe I'm a bit older. Did it have a tap?
No, actually, no. It was on. Like, it's done electronically and that, but obviously I pushed it to what it could go to, apparently reliably. And, yeah, I mean, it took some years of abuse, so I can't grumble at it. But I killed that engine, decided to put a forged one in, ended up with nothing but issues, ended up with a cracked block, and that was when I started looking around for different engines.
Right, so this is quite a common swap with the 3 litre in America.
Yeah, the 3 litre from the Camry was the first swap that they generally done all the time, and the 3.5 litre is the newest swap, and it's the one that's more preferred, obviously, because it's more power, it's a newer engine, and there's more support, basically.
The one thing I want to see is how have you got a 3.5 litre in the back of it, because it's only used to a 2 litre.
It fits really well.
It actually does quite well.
Looks like it should have been in there, to be honest.
Yeah. And what? How long did the process take? I know, was it COVID time you done it or something like that?
Yeah, it happened, well, the car got sent away during COVID, ended up there a very long time, and to be honest, the swap wasn't done quite to the standard that I really wanted. So I spent a bit of time researching, looking around at different places. Most of the support for this engine is in America. Places like Frankenstein Motorworks, Wilhelm Raceworks, that's where I've got like a lot of the ECU, the full exhaust system, and just things like the mass airflow and everything that makes it work, including like the driver's side engine mount and that.
Yeah. The one thing I have been nervous about, I've touched the paint because I'm too scared of touching the carbon because there's too much of it. But so other than that, this is forged?
No, it's not.
It's not forged?
No, it's not forged. It's just, I guess, opened up. It would. This originally come from a Lexus RX 350, so it's just a heavy SUV lump that, with an automatic gearbox and that. But with the ECU, the rev limit is upped, the fueling's upped. Obviously, it's got no restrictions, straight for exhaust.
What gearbox has it got?
Still got the original turbo box in it.
Oh, right. So 5-speed?
Yeah, 5-speed, yeah. Just a few mods to make that match up, modification to the flywheel and that, but yeah, it basically goes straight on.
And other than that, it is near enough a standard engine apart from that?
Yeah, just with obviously, well, besides obviously the fueling and the intake, etc., it bumps it up, because I think the original is probably around a standard, I don't know if it's about between 250 and 260, I think it would have been in the Lexus, but this should be around the sort of 300 at the wheels mark.
Nice. At the wheels would be lovely. Have you not added dyno then?
Not dynoed yet.
Oh, well, I know
The problem
someone.
is you're always looking for more things to put on it, aren't you?
Well, you were saying something about a turbo earlier,
Yeah.
and they're good for 700
There's
without.
a newer intake they're making at the moment. It's like a big Holly one that comes down like
Yeah.
this, and that itself adds about 30 horsepower itself.
Oh, wow.
So I'm just, until you sort of get the money to put them bits on, you think it's a pointless dyno in it.
Does the missus like it?
Uh,
Because this is a big question.
She doesn't like the money I spend on it. That's the part I have to keep quiet about. But no, she recognises it's a toy, innit, at the end of the day. I'd say it's probably more of it's an addiction, isn't it?
So have you upgraded the brakes or?
The brakes are still standard calipers. They're just obviously it's got better discs, yellow stuff pads, braided lines, upgraded fluid. So it does all right. It doesn't fade too much at the moment, but obviously if it becomes an issue later on, it's something that I'll probably upgrade.
And suspension?
Suspension, it's still got it's got Cusco coilovers. It's all fully polybushed. It's got a Wilhelm geometry kit put on it. It's pretty solid, to be fair.
And interior, again, full of carbon.
Yeah, it's got a few carbon touches.
But them seats are lovely.
Yeah, they're a recent purchase. I did have the original seats in there for a while, but obviously they started to get a bit sloppy around corners and stuff. So
Well, our original seats and our one, mouse has chewed it. So the leather's off of one seat. But anyway, we won't go into that. But other than that, it is a stunning, stunning car. But the sound is going to be a million times better, isn't it?
hopefully, yeah.
Right, well, let's go out for a drive and see what it goes like. It sounds nice, doesn't it? Yeah. It's quicker than I thought it was going to be.
Straight
across.
Right. Oh, straight across.
That is definitely quicker than I thought it was going to be. You downplayed it a bit.
It's alright.
Handle's alright as well. Jeez. Right. Oh. Fucking hell. I did not expect that, to be fair. I thought, oh, it's going to be, it'll be alright. You know, it's left at the next. Your Jesus handle's in a weird place. Right, when we get to the next roundabout, left, and then you got open road. You know. You know what? I'm actually a bit nervous now. I was not nervous about getting in this car at all until you put your foot down the first time, and I'm like,
fast.
He's fast.
It's the old 90s shitbox with
Yeah, but
V6
why
in
have you downplayed it?
Because it's
Because I'm like, whoa, that's a bit more lively than I thought. So much better, but I prefer that sound than a K20 sound. Oh,
yeah, I mean, it's quite busy actually, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be that busy. That is wicked.
Where are we going?
Well done, mate. This is a really cool car. I thought it looks the part, but will it go the part? And I didn't expect it. I thought, if 300, they're still quite heavy, these.
Yeah, it does.
And I thought, is it going to be alright? But it's instant, and it's like bang.
It's talky, yeah. It's a nice engine for the chassis.
Handle's brilliant. into all of that. This will be great on track.
Yeah, I'm hoping so, yeah.
Have you never done it on track?
No, that's what I mean, I'm booked in for July.
I want to come down and watch. Honestly,
it's going now.
This will be impressive.
I hope it'll do alright. Just obviously all the gear and no idea in it.
Yeah, but
so don't want to go out and bin it, but yeah, it'd be nice to open it up properly.
About the last few reviews that I've gone out and done, but no one drives sensibly anymore. It's like, oh yeah, we'll just go up to speed and then...
That's the idea, isn't it?
Well, I don't know.
I thought you wanted to see what it felt like.
Oh, it feels bloody fast. Enough fast. Yeah, I wouldn't go through all the K20 stuff. I'd be well happy with this.
It's just, yeah, it's nice and drivable.
It grips well. It goes round a corner. They're prone to snap oversteer, so but it seems like it's proper set up. There's traffic, you know. Stay
too much.
Hopefully you'll stay. Oh, don't move out of the way. It's the third exit. We're going to go to the car park and have a couple of minutes then. Whoa! Yeah, the standard brakes are alright, turbo ones. Right, not that one, this one. This one here. And then we're going to go into a car park and I'm going to get out for a minute.
There you go, Bush.
In this one. There you go, lovely. Jesus Christ, I did not expect that. I think we just need a couple of seconds because I didn't expect it to be like that. The push button start works as well.
No, ignore that.
Oh no, so ignore the push button start.
That was just filling a gap.
I don't even know why I'm even worried about a push button start at the minute. I just saw it and thought, yeah, I just need a breather.
The brakes smell good.
Oh, just give me a sec. I didn't expect it. Really good.
You like the sound of it, yeah?
I like all of it. It's the first MR2 I've been in that I'd own this.
Yeah.
I've been in Owen's one, wouldn't own it. Been in loads of other ones, wouldn't own them. This, hands down, I would own. On a racetrack, this would be brilliant.
Yeah, I'm hoping so.
So the video ain't finished. We've just come for a pit stop because I needed a breather because I've been in some fast stuff, and then when you go out in this is faster than faster stuff, which is odd to me, and I don't know why it's done that or why it's doing that, but it is impressive. I'm just having a 2-second break because I didn't expect it, and I'm going to expect it on the way back, but that is fucking impressive. I don't care if you're thinking, what an idiot, he's pulled over to have a rest. I'm pulling over to have a rest. Honestly, it sounds brilliant, goes brilliant, handles brilliant. This is the only MR2 I'd buy. End of. Wait until I tell Owen about this car. I'll say, you f***ed up, mate. You put 1200 horsepower in a sequential in your car and now it's just f***ing undrivable. You could have got this. Round 2. comes out of there is...
It's the nicest bit, isn't it?
Yeah, the sound is by far the... Well, everything's the best thing, but that noise...
It's one of the things that sold it for me.
Yeah, just having that sound. It's a bit 350Z, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's that red rocket coming down? Oh. Yeah, I think I'm good with the power now.
I think it's like forced my window open or something. It's really noisy.
Yeah, the car's just... Honestly, I wouldn't change a thing about it.
Not more power?
No. Oh, fuck. It's found a roundabout now. Straight on. I think the clip came out there. I was holding on to it. The big clip. This is staying cool. I thought it would get like super hot. Fucking hell. Oh. Yep. Yep. Ah, thank you, van. Thank you, van.
Spoiled all our fun.
No, it didn't. It held me out for about 2 minutes, that van. It's supposed to be smooth engines. It's definitely smooth.
Yeah, that's it.
But it packs a punch as well, which is
it's the talk that I like.
Selling point. Yeah.
I think that's what will be good around track.
Yeah, I think for an MR2, this will do very well. Well, I've got to admit, thank you very much, Simon, sir. It was a pleasure. It was a whole package that I didn't expect. I actually thought, oh, it'll be nice, it'll go well, you know, it's a nice physical build, but I did not expect that car to do what it done. And I've been in MR2s that take roundabouts and they're not as good as that. That car there, I would own. I'm not an MR2 fan, but that one I would buy. And on that note, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe. And I don't know what we're going to bring you next, really, but I ain't going out in it. That's all I know. So, see you later.